Alright guys, here we do have your JDM billet black aluminum racing engine oil catch can reservoir. Right, so your hose, your clamps. Obviously this one's gonna be for the can itself because it is curved. I mean, it's not a perfect fit, but whatever. Clamp, gaskets, but I heard don't use this. I saw that online. I don't know what these are, to be honest. 2 screws to put these two together, if that makes sense. And then 5 clamps. I'm guessing the 5th one is in case you lose it. Not so sure. But yeah, here it is. You can use either or as an inlet or an outlet, so don't worry about where you put your hoses. So for the bottom, you do have an O-ring, so you shouldn't have to worry about leaks. Right, this is the cheapest one I found on eBay. So as you can see, literally the inlet or outlet is right next to each other, so you literally don't have to worry about which hose goes in. But I mean, hey, at least the oil catch can is really nicely painted, nice gloss black with a lot of flakes in it, which is actually pretty cool. Again, this is the cheapest one I found on eBay. Beyond Revolution, alright? And I'll be installing that later on, and we'll see how it works, hopefully within the next 3,000 or so miles.